Today, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful. How to practice English every day. No matter how busy you are, no matter if you feel shy, and even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they have to move to the UK or the US to speak English well, but that's not true at all. You don't need to live in London. You don't need to have a native speaker beside you, and you don't need to spend hours studying every night. What you do need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat, steps that fit into your daily routine, and steps that help you feel more comfortable, more confident, and more natural using English. Let's start with a very useful question. What is shadowing? You might have heard this word before. Or maybe it's new to you. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple and very effective. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you repeat exactly what they say as quickly and closely as you can. You don't pause, you don't translate, you don't stop to check a dictionary, you just copy the sound like an echo. Try to say the words with the same rhythm, speed, and tone. Let's practice a few short sentences together. I'll say it first, then you repeat. Ready? I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. Great job. That's exactly how shadowing works.